Here we're going to look at multiplying by a tenth, multiplying by 100, multiplying by a thousandth, okay, and what effect that has on your number. And here I've done one already. You've got 88 times by a tenth. You can see that the answer is 8.8. In fact, 8.8, okay, the decimal's been jumped once and we've divided by 10 effectively. If I go back up here and change that to a hundredth, we can see that we now have the decimal places moved again, one to the left, just jumped forwards, and hence the numbers gone backwards in place value, and we've effectively divided by 10 twice. And if I go here, another 0 here, and you can see that now again the decimal places jumped forward one, and so the number's gone back in place value. We've effectively divided by 10 3 times. And I've mapped that out here with this. Timesing by a tenth is like dividing by 10, and timesing by a hundredth is like dividing by 10 and dividing by 10. And timesing by a thousandth, okay, is like dividing by 10, dividing by 10, divided by 10. And I want to connect that with our negative indices, which we did earlier, and we can see that a 10 can, 1 over 10 can be written as 10 to the minus 1, and we've got this could be written as 10 to the minus 2, and this could be written as 10 to the minus 3. Remember, this minus sign just has the effect of sticking the number, whatever it is, okay, sticking the number under the 1. Okay, so negative power, the negative power creates this 1 overness, and the 10 squared is preserved. And this, remember, is 1 overness, and we get 10 cubed. Okay, so if I go back to my calculator, I can play the same game, but instead of doing, I can do 88, okay, times 10 to the power minus 1. And you'll see this is like multiplying by 1 over 10. I've got 8.8, and I can move up here and make that a 2, and I'm effectively dividing by 10 twice. So the negative power to 2 is like dividing by 10 twice. And if I do it one more time, you can see that I've divided by 10 3 times. So multiplying by something times 10 to the minus 3 is like dividing it by 10 3 times.